Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have some wins that I'd love to share with you guys, and one of them is from Maria Reyes. She also has Instagram, Pretty Crafty, and one is from Gaby, Crafting with Gaby. So I feel super lucky. I have won now 3 giveaways this month. My last giveaway that I won and shared was from Midge's Mountain Crafts. So July has been a successful giveaway month for me. So I'm going to show you what I got from Maria. So I looked at this already. This is the gorgeous card, and the card, it says, was made by Cruisin' with Crystal, you guys know. And I love the rainbows, and they had a rainbow collab. So really, really cool. So she sent me some things that are rainbow-like. So first I want to show you, she sent me 2 of these bows. I'm going to pull this one closer. How gorgeous is this? Love this pattern. And it is glittery, so super pretty. She sent me 2 of them, and one has the blue gem and one has the clear gem. So that was that. And then she sent me a rainbow pack of bling, and you could never have too much bling. And it has these big ones, and then it has these second piece, all big ones, all the same size. So I love that. And then I also got 2 adorable blingy rainbows, you guys, and I almost missed this in the package, but thank God I did not. Thank you so much, Maria. And now I'm gonna dive into Gaby's package here. And it's funny because I really don't recall what I won. I try to do as many, participate in as many giveaways and get in on those things. And this, I think this was from the Rainbow Collab too, judging by the rainbows. So they were all doing a giveaway if you watched all of their collab videos. So we got a card here, and she made me a card, and she wanted me to be able to use this for someone else. And it's really pretty. Hello, you. And then it opens into this rainbow here. This like really cool pop-up rainbow. So I thought that was really sweet, and she put her note to me on a card. And that is very lovely, and even the envelope, she kept it sealed so that I could use this with the card. So appreciative of that. And then she wrapped this up really pretty with the rainbow. These are those the yarn, I think, from the Dollar Tree, the chenille. Really, really pretty and soft, so I could definitely reuse that to make some sort of tassel. And I got a whole bunch of stickers here, and she also has an envelope with something in here. So I'm going to open the envelope and see what's in the envelope. Oh, this was her rainbow. Okay. You guys, this is so pretty. Definitely going to be hanging this up. Really, really gorgeous. This must have taken some time to create, and I just love it. So that is the rainbow. And then she sent me a rainbow luggage tag. Very cool. And then all these cool stickers. So this one is, oh, this is like balloon-like stickers to me. The emoji, and then it says love. And then she sent me here these stickers. You get 16 of them, and they're really, really cute stickers. Love those. I could never have too many stickers. And then this pack of gorgeous dragonflies. These are really pretty. And there's 9 pieces in this pack. So yeah, that was it. That was my wins from Gaby and Maria, and I love everything. Thank you so much for being so generous. And her info, Gaby's info and Maria's info, will be linked in the description box, so you can go by and see their latest videos. So that is it for today, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.